Let's burn the sugar, guys. Here we go. Here we want to burn the sugar with only 5 workouts. Let's see how it works. Let's go. So, don't forget the bonus session. Let's go. We are done with warm up. This is start. For the I got what the fuck. For the first one, here we go. Get ready. Let's stay in your position. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. If you're ready, or you do training every day or 3 times a week, we can do it faster. Okay, change the push. Three, two, three, two, 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 three, two, three, two. Three, two, one, let's go. Woo. Take a deep breath. Rest for 15 seconds. This place is amazing. Get ready for the next one. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Good. Take a rest. Okay. Get ready for side to side sprint. I don't know, side to side running, I think. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, hold on. Fifteen seconds, rest. Okay, get ready. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Can do it like this, okay? No problem. That was a hard one. to drink some water. Oh my god. That was amazing. Are you ready for the last one? You're ready. Stay in your position. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. That was hard, man. Okay, let's go. It's done. I can't even breathe. Oh yeah. That was one of our most rigorous training, right? Okay, we are done with training, and for now, let's see the result. Let's see the blood sugar. Let's go. Okay, the result was amazing. We burned almost 100 milligrams sugar. I don't know if you can see it or not. Let me check. Yeah, 170. That was incredible for only 5 workouts. So for the rest of it, I need to use insulin around 1 or 2 units. Yeah. Okay. See you in the next video. Maybe I record the next video in this place. If it likes, I don't know, wonderful. But I don't know what the hell is going on. It's almost fall, but let me show you. Come on guys, that's fantastic in fall. At the end of the training, you can eat banana. That's helpful, trust me. Cheers.